Hey everybody, it's Chris again. Today I am working on my camper and I just started gutting it. So let's walk out there and show you what I've got going on. Just took out one of the cabinets. I'll flip the camera around and go inside. Just started tearing stuff out last night. Started with this rotten ceiling. But I'm gonna try not to completely tear out these side walls. So this wall and this wall here, I think, I mean, it won't be perfect and I may end up covering it, but I'm gonna try to keep them in place. So this cabinet has to come out to get the rest of this rotten ceiling out. And then I'll work on getting this cabinet out. And I plan on putting those back. They're in good shape. So, sorry, let's see here. I'm about to start vacuuming. That's all this shredded insulation that was between the paneling and the metal. So, no turning back. I'll be back with an update. Got the other cabinet out. Pulled out the benches and the table. The bench frames are good. I can rebuild these, so that's good. And the frames for the bench look pretty good. I can save those. That paneling has to come out, and then I can get to those corners to repair those. Might be a little tough getting this one out of here. I'll try to be patient and not damage it. Everything behind and on the back seams of this cabinet is completely solid, so I cut the paneling around it for now. I might not have to take it out. We'll see when I start on the bottom. All right, the good news is this plywood floor does not have to come out. I just have to replace this section. The rest of this is solid, and the 2x4 running across here is solid. So I just have to cut out a section and replace the plywood here. So that's good news. I will not be ripping this entire floor out. That speeds things up a good bit. Also means I don't have to completely remove the cabinets. So this is good. Better than expected. I'll also be replacing all this section in the front door and the wood underneath the entrance.